I was talking with a friend of mine the other day, and he was asking me my opinion about crypto. And he was like, "Hey, Austin, I've got all my crypto on a centralized exchange. What do you think I ought to do? Do you think I'm at risk?" And I was like, "Yes." And it reminded me of some mistakes that I think people make because it's comfortable. So, this video, I want to talk about some mistakes that are out there. And are you guilty of any of these? And we sometimes are all guilty of them in one way or the other. But I really want to take a moment to ask you and make you look at yourself and do these things to protect yourself. Okay. Number one, if you're keeping a lot of crypto on centralized exchanges, you should not be doing that. And I'm not blasting any of them for any reason. That's not the point. But if you have all of your crypto on a centralized exchange and that if that exchange goes insolvent or goes out of business, your crypto is gone. Period. It is not hard to move your crypto off of an exchange and move it into a DeFi wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. And there's 8 million tutorial videos that can show you how to do this. You could literally go, how do I move my money? How do I move my crypto off of Coinbase or insert any crypto exchange name here, crypto.com, KuCoin, whatever, to MetaMask, to Trust Wallet? And by the way, I like all of them. I like MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Those are the two wallets that I like. Should you do that? So that you're protecting yourself. Get your crypto off of an exchange and put it onto a DeFi wallet. Now, there's another factor that comes into play. When you have a DeFi wallet like MetaMask or Trust, that wallet is on some device, mobile phone, your desktop, a computer, whatever it may be. Here's one thing you do there. Don't have a digital footprint of the seed phrases or any of the passwords associated with that wallet. Don't do it. Because if you do, somebody gets a hold of those, they can get your money, they can get your crypto. Okay. So that's another thing. Are you guilty of that? Don't do it. Don't keep a picture of your seed phrases on your phone or on your desktop, because if somebody gets that, they have it. They have access to everything they need to rob you. Thirdly, better move it off of that DeFi wallet to a cold storage device or go directly from an exchange to a cold storage device. And there's a ton of those. Okay. I don't have a particular affinity for any of them. Just find one that works for you. But that's how you protect yourself. Beyond that, do you have a plan? Are you flying blindly in your crypto trading and buying and selling? Are you just out there willy-nilly? That's a key term. Buying any and all cryptos. Do you have a profit plan? Do you have a plan? Treat it like you're investing in stocks if you're in stocks. Literally, the easiest way to do that is if, let's say, you had $10,000. It doesn't matter what the number is. Go buy some of the blue chips. Go buy out of anything you're willing to invest. 70% of it should be in Bitcoin or Ethereum. This is not investing advice. This is what I do. You do what's right for you. I'm not giving you any advice, of course, right? Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two biggest guys. They make up 60% of the entire crypto market. Where they go, the rest will follow. They're the biggest guys. Buy 70% of that and you will make money ultimately long term. Buy and hold. That's the other thing. Have a plan, buy and hold. Set a target price. I want to make 30%, 50%, 100%, whatever it may be. Out of that 70% with the 30% remaining, go buy some others like Shiba Inu if you want, Polygon, Cardano, whatever you want, whatever fits your taste out of, they say, the top 25 cryptos, and you will be fine. And that's, if you want to stop there, you're good. And then around each of those cryptos, have a profit plan. I want to make this much off of my Bitcoin or my Ethereum or whatever, and know those numbers. I know what my cost was, and I know what my strike price is, what I want to sell it for, so that I can make 50% off my Bitcoin investment, whatever it may be. Okay. That's a buy and hold strategy. Beyond that, if you want to get more creative and you want to do some trading, yep, here it is. Get yourself a trading indicator. I have one. You know I do. Trading indicator. There's a link in the description below to my software, x1algo.com. There's also a discount code down there. If you click on that and you go to this site, this is my site. This is my software. I had it built. It's mine. I do the support for it. I use this every single day, but check it out. And here's what I'm going to tell you. Watch the video you see on the screen and literally then look at the pricing. There's a discount code below me in the description as well. You can get a discount off of this. The quarterly option is the best one. And then bottom line, I give you a 30-day money back guarantee. Basically, you can try this. You can test drive it for free. Yeah, you got to buy it up front. You do. But then if you don't like it for any reason, You contact my customer support. There's an email everywhere on the website, and instantly we're going to give you a refund, and you're out, and you're done. You have zero risk in this. Why do you need a trading indicator? So that you can have insight into what is going on in a particular crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, I don't care. Oh, by the way, you want to use it to trade and get insight into stocks. It works in stocks as well. This is Netflix. You're seeing the Netflix. So look at this. It just gave a momentum up right here on the 1 hour chart for Netflix right there. So that is, after that, that's about a 2% gain, and it's still painting green. My point to you is trading indicators. If you don't want mine, go get somebody else's. Trading indicators give you insight into when you should buy or when you should sell a particular crypto or a particular stock, commodities, whatever it may be. And you can use mine for all of those. Why? Why should you use one? I've been using indicators for years. I didn't like a lot of them. They were really complex and all this kind of stuff because traders take the blinders off. If you're not using some type of a technology or software to help you buy and sell crypto and maybe give you a little bit better insight into when you should buy or when you should sell, you're flying blind. That's it. Link in the description below. Go check it out. And then finally, lastly, are you guilty of the mistake of being emotional about your crypto investments? Because it is in being emotional that will ruin you, and you will get wrecked. You heard that term, you'll get wrecked, because your emotions will take over in a bad time or a time of volatility, and you will sell when you shouldn't sell. By the way, if you did everything I just talked about, having a plan, using an indicator, all those things, that will take the emotion out of the equation. I don't worry about short-term volatility in any of the crypto. Right now, crypto being down right now in August and September doesn't worry me a bit because I have a long-term plan. I have long-term assets that I hold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything I just told you about. And then I also will do some swing trading where I will buy and sell cryptos off of, guess what? My indicator. I will look at the 1-day chart for Bitcoin or Ethereum or the 4-hour chart or whatever it may be, whatever different variation I'm looking at. And I will say, you know what? It's a good time to sell or a good time to buy. That's it. You need visibility. And that's what I think most people are guilty of. They're guilty of not having a plan and not executing on that plan. And they're guilty of not paying attention. Not paying attention will get you wrecked in crypto as well. You need to pay attention so that you know when to buy or sell. And that's why an indicator is good. Don't use mine, fine. Go get somebody else's. But give yourself, empower yourself with a tool to help you. And by the way, mine's cheaper than anybody else out on the market. You know why I did that? Because I wanted to keep it as low cost as possible so I could help as many of you as possible. That's all I got. Hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for your support. I'll see you.